How to make Aries man fall in love with an Aries woman. The connection between an Aries man and an Aries woman is intense and fiery. Both are passionate, independent, and strong-willed, which can either create an exciting bond or spark conflicts. Understanding their unique traits is key to building lasting love. Get a man hooked on you. Discover what men secretly want and become his secret obsession. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Here are 10 essential tips on how to make Aries man fall in love with an Aries woman. 1. Respect independence. Both Aries value freedom. Give him space and maintain your own ambitions to keep the relationship balanced and healthy. 2. Be adventurous together. Aries men love excitement. Plan spontaneous trips or fun challenges to keep the spark alive and engage his competitive side. 3. Communicate clearly. Directness appeals to Aries. Speak honestly about your feelings and expectations to avoid misunderstandings. 4. Show confidence. Assert yourself with confidence. Aries men are drawn to strong, self-assured women who know what they want. 5. Pace the relationship. Aries can rush into things, but patience strengthens the bond. Let emotions develop naturally without pressure. 6. Be loyal and strong. Show emotional resilience and loyalty. Aries men respect a partner who stands firm during tough times. 7. Balance leadership. Support his leadership but share decision-making. Equal partnership prevents power struggles. 8. Add spontaneity. Keep things fresh with surprises and unexpected fun to match Aries' love for excitement. 9. Respect his need for space. When he needs time alone, don't take it personally. It helps him recharge and appreciate you more. 10. Share ambitions. Discuss your goals and dreams. Aries thrives on growth, so building a future together inspires deeper connection. By embracing these principles, an Aries woman can ignite and nurture the fierce love of an Aries man. Their shared energy can create a passionate and lasting relationship when handled with care and understanding. Do you want to get him chasing you like crazy? Discover what men secretly want and make him want you forever. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share this video.